If your pool pump leaks water, it's usually because the seals or gaskets are worn out and need swapping as soon as possible. Okay, so first off, check where exactly the water is leaking from on your pool pump. That helps you figure out if it's the seal or gasket causing the mess. A lot of times, seals get old and cracked, so they just don't hold the water tight anymore. You want to turn off the pump and unplug it before poking around to avoid any shocks or damage. If you spot worn out seals, grab replacements that match your pump's model. Don't just guess or settle for cheap knockoffs. When you replace them, make sure everything is clean and dry before you put the new parts in. Dirt or moisture can mess with the seal's grip. Tighten everything up, but don't go crazy and strip the threads or crack the housing. After you're done, run the pump and keep an eye out for leaks. Sometimes you gotta tweak a bit to get it right. Keep in mind that routine maintenance, like checking seals every few months, can save you a headache later on. One of the biggest slip-ups people make with pool pump leaks is ignoring early signs, which lets water damage other parts and drives repair costs way up. The fix here is simple. Inspect your pump regularly and act fast when you see a drip or puddle. Another common mistake is using generic or wrong size seals that don't fit right, causing leaks to stick around. Always get exact replacements from reputable sources or your pump brand. Lastly, people sometimes over-tighten screws during seal replacement, which can crack the pump housing or warp parts, leading to worse leaks. Just hand tighten gently and use tools carefully to avoid this issue. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle. Plus, if you're a contractor, it's a great way to connect with real clients who need your skills and get steady work.